Hey friends, if you wish to save Notepad file in HTML and PDF format in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let us open a Notepad file, search for Notepad, open Notepad and type this is a test document. Wait, I mean, whatever text you have, I'm just creating a text document so that you can understand. Now to save it as an HTML file, click on File, Save As, give it a name, let's say test, and give the extension .html. The next step is very important. Change the save as type to all files. So save as type is all files and the file name is whatever you want to give it, .html. Click on OK. Now the HTML file has been created here. Double click on it and it will open on the web. As for creating a PDF document out of it, you can use the same method to create a PDF document out of it. Otherwise, Notepad would be a very sufficient editor. So here's what you can do. Click on File, select Print, select the option for Microsoft Print to PDF, click on Print and then name it, let's say test 2, and then click on Save and the PDF file will be converted here. Okay, we're going to open it. It will also open on the browser, but it can also be opened on the Adobe PDF Reader. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.